Guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Ray. Listen, I got a little installment for my Super Duty club out there. Listen, I'm installing a Baja Design rack, we call it the roof rack brace for my Baja lights. All right. Now, you've been following my channel, you know I did a lot of work on my truck, and I'm just, boys for toys, dude. Just adding some more toys to the truck. Now, I picked up these braces for my Baja lights that I'm taking off from my floodlights for the pillar lights, and I'll put them on top of the roof, and I end up installing some other lights for my pillar lights. So I'm gonna be putting these up on the roof. So I end up buying a couple of brackets, the Baja brackets, to put on my roof. Now, very simple. This is pretty much eye candy for you guys out there for my Super Duty. Very nice design. And what's good about this bracket is that you don't need to use the stock bracket. All right, it gives a better profile to your roof rack when you're running this type of bracket instead of this one. All right, you can use this if you want to and forego with this, but I just like the design of this one. All right, and it's not hard at all, guys, installing this. Very basic. Now, the reason for this video, again, it's eye candy for my Super Duty. The guys who are looking to get this type of rack system. And excuse me, I got airplanes going overhead, of course. Every time you start to record, they never fail to show up. So just to install this is very simple. You're gonna take, they give you all the hardware other than the lights. And we're just gonna install this just like this. Again, this is not gonna be too difficult. Very basic, very easy to install. But I am going to show you the hiccup when installing this, or just keep in mind when you order this. Once I decide to install this, I should say, let me show you what you have to do. All right. And hey guys, anything I'm showing you, there will be affiliate links below. If you use those links below, it does support this channel, and I greatly appreciate it. So this is the basic design. All right. Left and right, it doesn't matter. It goes in like that. You're pretty much going to be using the same hardware on the side of your lights right here to attach to the side of here. So don't disregard that. You do have to use these screws. Now, the hiccup, or not the hiccup, but there's something you should keep in mind is how are you going to slide these on after you install your roof rack? All right. And let me show you what I'm doing, or what I had to do. Let me see, I got all my parts here. Yeah, I think I got everything. Here, let's go over to the truck. Hold on, let me just adjust this camera. All right. This can be a kind of rough design or a rough cut, guys, so forgive me. Now, installing your rack, you remember when I installed this, all right, I had everything installed. To get it in, you're gonna have to go through the T-slot on this side, all right? Now, if you remember when I showed you on the installation of this, or you have done this and you don't remember, this is the C side. This is the end cap you're going to have to take off. All right. Now, for the life of me, I forgot how I installed this. So I had to look at my own video to see how I done this. Now, when you take this off, it's going to be already installed like this. Underneath, you see those little screws here? You're going to have to loosen that. All right. Now, once you loosen these little screws, this will come off. Now, you may have to loosen these two screws here and the screws underneath here, just to give you a little play to get this out. But that's pretty much it to get this installed. Once you remove this, then you're able now to come in with your bracket, slide it in your slots, and slide them down. And that's simple, all right? It's not that difficult. Initially, I thought I was gonna have to take this off, unscrew this, blah, 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 blah. And I said, no, I knew there was an easier way. Just remove that end cap, give you access to your T-slots here, your T-slots here, all right? And that's it. Especially, I'm gonna be running my wiring coming up. So that's gonna be coming up this way, going underneath, again, to hide your wiring within the T-slot. So if you don't remember, that's how you do it. I got one installed. I ended up buying 4 brackets, and I would suggest, depending on how many lights you're putting up, it's not hard to do that, but I suggest get all your brackets. If you don't have the lights, install the brackets and just have them pre-positioned. And as you buy each light, or when you're ready to, it's already up there, and you just can slip it in. All right, or you can put the locks itself, the screws itself, screw that in, and you don't even have to have the bracket up there. When you're ready to install, just come up, find those spots for the slots, and just screw it in. Whatever. I mean, you know, you get the gist of what I'm trying to say. So I just want to bring that to you for those who are installing this. Don't remember how you should slip this in. Remove again this part here. Now this you're gonna need what screw? Stand by. Let me find out which part. I just bought it. Hold on. There you go. You're gonna need a T27 fits. All right. Wait, hold on. The T27 screw for here. All right, and it's gonna be underneath, so you're not gonna be able to see it. So you're just gonna have to feel it. All right, to get that screw in there, to unscrew it, unloosen it. And that's that. That's a quick video. Just want to show you guys. Nothing too complicated. Just want to give you a little tidbit information. Let me just get this installed. Once it's installed, I'll come back, show you my final product. And that's pretty much it, guys. Any question, any comments, hit me below, and we'll just keep it moving. All right, let's go. All right, guys, I'm gonna show you. I got the lights not totally installed, but loosely fitted in the slots. All right, so I suggest just, put one screw in here, one screw there, get it in, get it popping, then you can slide it in position where you want it. All right. And that's it. That's it for this video. I'm not going to show my wiring, how I'm doing. If you're interested in how I wire all my lights up, hit me down in the comments below if you're interested in that. And when I get to it, I'll make sure I'll do it for you. All right, but that's pretty much a quick look how to utilize these brackets. All right, I really like the profile, opposed of having the brackets sitting up high. Not unless you're looking for that type of look and you're trying to cut down on costs, then use existing brackets. Probably order the same type of screws for those brackets, and it does the same thing. You'll have your lights pretty much higher up. I prefer this, give a little more different profile to the lights. All right, and that's that. So I end up moving the LP6s from here and brought these up here. I ended up installing, these are Harbor Freight's lights. These are the 4-inch, kind of like the 4-inch opposed to the 6-inch. The 6-inch did work, but it was kind of, I think, just a little too big, especially when it came to the antenna on this side. It always bothered me. So that's why I downgraded to the 4-inch using the Harbor Freight version and moving the LP6 up here. And I plan on filling in the rest with also the Harbor Freight versions, because again, it's just much cheaper, guys. It really is. This light, you know how expensive it is. I can get what, two for the price of one. Pretty much how it works out to be, probably. I think it is, if my math is right. If I'm wrong, let me know in the comments. All right, so just want to give you a quick video how to install this. Remove that end cap and slip it out. You may have to loosen these 2 screws up here from here to here to give you a little play, slip in it, and you're done. Guys, please consider like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.